Good morning dear sir and all my excited audience. Today I am presenting here for my presentation. So my presentation topic is importance of education. We all know that education is very important part in our life. Can anyone tell me what is education? Please tell me simple language, one or two lines. And anybody tell me what is education? Definition of education.
Give us knowledge.
Yes. And anyone?
Knowledge of everything.
Yes.
Of subjects.
Okay, so I will tell you. Education is the process of gaining knowledge, skills, and our knowledge by through of learning. Learning is not matter only for depend on schooling knowledge. It is depend our work, our daily routines, our daily experience, our life's experience. It is depend on this. So education is a very powerful tool in our life. It is gaining our knowledge, our success. It is tools of our success. If you know our better life, if you want to our better life, we can tell our education. So education is very powerful tools and it is very most important things in our life. So education is two types of education. First of informal education and second is formal education. So what is formal education? Formal education is we gaining knowledge in schooling, through schooling, colleges, institute and our university, etc. And informal knowledge is we gaining the knowledge is our family, our family member, parents and our daily life experience. It is informal knowledge. So as a teacher and as my knowledge education tells about all of meanings are there. Like this spelling are there. At first it is not correct. I think this is not a particular, but it is as a teacher and my knowledge. It is right to understand education. So E for energy. It is very good part of education. We understood this. Energy is a very important part in our life. If we have energy, we have boost of energy, so we can do everything in our life. We can like this. We have today's presentation, so we can if have energy, so we can give our presentation is very well. The second is discipline. Second part is discipline. So discipline is very important and very powerful things of the part of education. So discipline, education discipline is very important and very most important part in. If we have discipline, so we show all people's people show him how kind I am, how to speak I am, how to learn I am with his only discipline. So U for unity. Unity is most important part in the education. Unity means be together, standing together and work together. If we have unity, so we can do everything. We can change our world, we can change our life if we have unity. C for confidence. Confidence is very most and beautiful part in education. If we have confidence, so we can do everything, we can speak everything, we can come here and speak very well, and we can